back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now taking a nice ride in our 1970 Chevy Chevelle hardtop. Of course, you know, as the king of all Chevys, 1970 is #1. Going the one we have here featuring something a little different, more of a nice ocean, maybe even a light ocean color blue. Super sport style stripes on the front and back. It does have the hood pins as accurate as 1970 to 72 miles did. It has the nice mag style wheels, BF Goodrich white layer tires. Of course, you will see that it does have a vinyl top, which of course vinyl tops are just as pretty as the simple hard tops. In fact, even a little bit better. A lot of times vinyl tops just gave it a little bit more of a sleeper look, an old man's look, but also a really nice car look, which as you look at it closely is not exactly black, but more of a dark blue to really blend in with the paint. As we move on to the inside, you can see it is a 4-speed manual here, having the appropriate Hurst shifter, appropriate style console. As you look at our dash, you can see it has the accurate style of 3 gauges with the tach, speedometer, and clock, as well as our needle gauges coming across the dash there. Upgraded 2-knob radio with a nice retro sound Bluetooth, if I am accurate about that. Looking at the seats, fine vinyl material. You got more of that creamy color, which was a good combination, more than just your black and red, black on black. A lot different, more simple, but more style. Even the back seat, you can see having the matching style material. Black carpet floors to really make it pop. Chevelle embroidered cloth floor mats to even really make it go. The safest part about the vehicle is not just the body, having a big size body, but more importantly having these shoulder belts embroidered into the back there. If you can see, that was an option that you can get back in 1970. But of course, as we look underneath the hood, big block underneath there, big car, big block, what more could you ask for? Of course, you can see it has the stock manifolds coming straight across the dual exhaust system, having vintage air, good brakes, good steering. In fact, we can even demonstrate the brakes for you right now. Very nice, smooth ride, of course. And of course, being a good car like this, you're not going to find any better than Skyway Classics. But as for now, though, we are just going to get turned around up on the lift. So if you have a moment, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.